Hello and welcome to the 6th in my series of packet tracer problem solving videos. I am using Free Screen to Video by chpt3, spelled with a K, to capture this one. Just trying it out. Okay. So in this one, what we're going to do is we're going to create a VTP server in this switch right here, and give it a domain and stuff, and then we're going to attach these other two switches to it and watch some VLANs that we set up go over there to the other switches as well. And then finally what we will do is assign to specific ports on these switches specific VLANs. And that's how that's going to go down, and then at the end we'll ping it and see how it all worked out. Alright, so let's get started. First we go into our VTP server here, get into global config mode, and now we just type in VTP mode server. And it's already a server because switches start out that way, but better safe than sorry. Now we give it a domain, and the VTP domain for this, as defined by the thing off to the side, is Cisco with a capital C. And password class. And that isn't right, so how about I do that again? There we go. And save it and go to switch 2. We make this one a client, obviously, because we can only really have one server, right? Not really, but we're not that complicated. Okay, make sure we save it. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create some VLANs on switch 1, which is our VTP server, and name them. So first one is VLAN 20, according to the thing off to the side, and we're going to name it data. Next is VLAN 30, and name it wireless. And VLAN 40, and name it voice. And we save that. Now, if stuff's working correctly, these should pick up on that automatically. So let's do a show VLAN and see what VLANs it thinks it has. There we go. Data, wireless, voice, right there. Let's try switch 3. And data, wireless, and voice right there. Alright, cool. So now that that's done, we're going to assign on switch 2 and 3 some ports to specific VLANs, so that whatever's hooked up to them is automatically included in that VLAN. So what we want to do is get into our interface, and in this one's case where it says it wants fast Ethernet 01, so FA 0/1 abbreviates that, and we want to put the switch port into access mode, and then tell it what kind of access to use, and we are switch port access VLAN 20 for FA01. Make sure you know shut, because otherwise it will shut down. Exit. And now we are doing interface FA0/9, switch port mode access. I missed an S, but it forgives me. Switch port access VLAN 40. No shut. And FA0/17. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 30. No shut. And save it. Switch 3. Interface FA01, because this problem is blessedly symmetrical. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 20. No shut. FA0/9. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 40. No shut. Exit. Interface FA0/17. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 30. No shut. There we go. And save it. Okay, now then, I can cheat and check on here. 20, 40, and 30, all where they should be, but really I should do a show run, or show interfaces, or show VLANs, or something. I wonder if show VLAN would work. Let's see. Does it say what port it is? Yep. So data is on 1, wireless is on 17, and voice is on 9, so cool. And on switch 3, same deal. Alright. Now we're going to ping PC1 from PC0. PC1's IP is 192.168.2010, so that's what we'll type in here. And that's going through just fine. Next, what it wants me to do is ping the wireless router 1 from PC0. Wireless router 1's IP is 192.168.30.10. So this shouldn't work because they are on different VLANs. Request timed out. Timed out. And I'm calling that good. So now let's check our results. Says we completed it. Hooray! Alright, thanks for watching. There will be more videos to come, so watch those too, please. Goodbye.